Okay, this is how to make a super duper vegan baby chard, kale, and spinach. Bam. So we put that in there. Next, premium organic wild blueberries. Couple cherries. All right, so you got to put some bananas in here. So I'm going to get these. I'm going to put 2. I put about 3 or 4. That should work. All right, now we're going to put in flaxseed. Flaxseed's got lots of omega-3s, and it makes it really good. So I'm going to really flaxseed it out. Get a couple tablespoons in there. All right, this is a hand one, so you get a little exercise as you do it. Then we're going to get a little bit of turmeric. Not a lot, just a little bit. And then we're going to get some cinnamon. Beet, nitrous oxide, planet oat. Now you can make your own, but this is easier. A little bit of coconut. Okay, looking good. I'm going to put a couple cashews. This is MYLK, not to be confused with MILK, cashews. And these are super good for you, so you gotta have some of those in there. Not a lot, but just enough to make it delicious. Okay, I'm done. Now we're ready to rock. This is your super vegan, awesome deliciousness. Okay, we put this one on top. Got it all filled up. Got to turn it on down here. That little light goes on. You can see it. Make sure you get this in, otherwise it squirts all over the place. Got it set to smoothies right here. So this is supposed to be the one that makes the smoothies. But sometimes if you don't have enough frozen stuff in there, it doesn't get smooth. Now this is supposed to be the most powerful, most nutrient-dense food on the world planet. Indian gooseberry, or it's called amalaya. I'm just going to put a little touch of that in there. About that much. All right, I think we're ready to eat it. You know, because it's so colorful, it may stain, so you got to be careful. Delicious. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on vegan food and fixing stuff and technologies and all that junk. Cheers. Peace out.